I'm Chloe from Zhongshan DKM vending machine. Nowadays, vending machines can be seen in device places such as airports, train stations, and office buildings. They are highly useful when you are in a rush or when the regular stores are closed. In that case, we need this vending machine. It offers a wide range of products, ranging from snacks and beverage to personal items. It has an elevator that can protect the items from the damage. Okay, here is the pickup area. You can take it out. Okay. If you want a machine that can make money for you 24 hours, chat me now. Thank you.